Okay, let's see. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see if today we can stream and get a trade. Started late. It's just a test stream on my new platform. But let's see it out, man. I got a new setup. Let's see it out. And I am a housekeeper. Le ambitious, girl. Bishop. Him. Okay. Eh? No. It's just there. She plug, remember. And this one. Okay, watch you. Huh? How are you, brother? How are you, man? Just want to see if I'll be able to stream today. I'll quickly do the analysis now. I'll quickly do the analysis now with my loud kids. You'll have to pardon me. Abaphuzayo alawa manzi awumina phakathi kwami uphuzayo kulawa manzi. Atsibonyakang sorry ke boroko motho uphuzayo. No, yeah, I do. I'm good, man. I just came back now. Took my wife and the family out, so we went out for my wife's birthday. So I just came back now. Uphuzayo. Um, Look, man, I'm good, man. I think we did have a good day, and apparently the night is still young for them, but I'm tired. Let's just go through it. We'll pardon the noise in between, but let's just quickly go through it. And someone is crying, so I'll switch off the mic. Abuti. Am I still audible? Let me know if I'm still audible. Um, Hadulanga, there's no problem. So, we are holding this yesterday daily fair value gap there. So we are holding this daily fair value gap here. I think if we can hold this fair value gap, we are set for a long term to go to high. Um, so yeah. Oh, perfect. Look what I got, man. I got a, I got a beautiful mic, a new one. We held that. We're just, we could come to previous daily high low, but let's see. So look, we'll continue without on this, and I just want to see how we're gonna move from there. It would have been nice if we tapped here before we continue going higher. Yesterday we left that. So I don't know if we're gonna continue higher. Oh no. So below, I think below the and if you use S&P 500, just holding the session highs with 15 and 5 look at it would have been nice if we came back to that. I think that would be beautiful for me. How was your day, man? Did you trade today, baby? Okay. Huh? Oh, what is that? Proud of what? Like MLS problems now, they won't bite you. How did it go today, man? If you traded, Ata mma go na le pele mpitlong. So I think as we come back lower, if we sweep that high, if we sweep an AM session high, I might look for shorts into these ranges here coming lower. I think that's where my setup. But anyway, how did your trade go? How did your trade go? People go bunch something happen. Hmm? I, I'm gonna use that as a sell side liquidity. Oh shucks. Love, unchiche plug yaka. Love. Oh, you will. Yeah. Hey. How kya wuchi se hopefully look at a camo. In fact, yes, Pia. So, okay. What's happening? But I'm going to check that out. I don't say nothing. So, yeah, I don't know what it says. You did. Plenty. La picture is been dragged. Plus it's fine. Yeah, but the other one is data over the space of time. And SFP doesn't mean okay. Only what we, for example, what we fit Pro for, which is like 8,000. No, it's another. Not the one that I got for you. Hey, so yeah, that's great. Make it nice all the time. It goes to the market, it goes. If you look at changing go. How did you go call? Franchise or Let's see what's happening. Sorry from I'm choosing. I'm not charging to you. It's fine. Yeah, it's a charger. What? That's what I can say. I cannot make out much. Laptop slots are full. The laptop slots are full. Let me see. Yeah, the laptop slots are full. Yeah. Hmm? I've not traded yet. Good try one. I don't know if this will try, but let me see. I'm going to let bring image. So okay. Sorry, brother. I just got away. I'm good. I'm happy birthday to her. Okay. So US30 bought US30. Wow. Sold gold, bought gold. Wow. How did that go? Buying and selling at the same time. How did that go, man? Ooh, okay. I'm gonna look for shorts though. Okay, 4 o'clock. We've set the sell side liquidity on the 4 o'clock time frame. You know, Robert. So we've said that while S&P 500 is while S&P 500 is holding the highs, the 4 p.m. highs. If we're to look at the session, so I have uh, AM session high. We have not taken it S&P 500 while Nasdaq has swept that. So I think it might set up for shorts for me. It might set up for shorts. Just have to play it like a boss. So how did it go selling and buying, brother? Ah, there's nothing, yeah. Okay. I'm gonna see how the next 5 minutes moves, okay? I'll have the first move of the first 5 minutes now. Just gonna wait for this closure. I am just gonna wait for the closure and decide what to do afterwards. Because we have this high, it will leave that invasion with this fair value gap here. So there's some sort of a breaker here. That will maybe perhaps I'll look for shorts, but it's a Friday, so sometimes Friday I love playing it safe. Possibility of a trade here. Shorting, yeah. You take profit at that low. Let me think. I just wanted to wait for this 5 minutes closure. Ah, let me wait for this 5 minute closure. I think this 5 minute closure will tell me where to go. Until I get that, I am not, because if we're to look at the 5 minutes here, there is a bit of a 5 minutes level gap invasion here. So I would love to see this invasion hold, and then perhaps I will decide to look for shorts from there. But until then, I am not taking any action because this might reject and still come back higher prices. So I'm just gonna wait. I don't have any biases yet. So you just have to be I just have to be careful and be patient. Look what I was avoiding. It's closing above again. So that's what I was avoiding. Huh? Why didn't take a trade? Baby? Una link mo fridge. If I come for just the cup. The cup. Yeah. Hey man, tell me what's up. Are you all there, brother? Thank you. Why? This thing smells cum. Uh-uh. Humpy. So sometimes you have to avoid trades when they don't make sense. And I think I'm doing perfectly in that space. Because if we're to hold that, I'm just gonna be watching if that 1 minute will hold. If that holds, possible shorts are there. I'm not gonna deny that. So if we close below, I'm gonna look for shorts. Because we would have held that 1 minute and holding another 15 minutes. So I think it will be a good setup for shorts. You would have taken, but I just don't want to jump into trade that I'm not convinced they'll work out. So I have to be patient. So I'm waiting for a closure below this low. So if we get a closure below this low, and then perhaps I'll look for shorts. Uh, how did selling of gold go, man? I will look into it, but you tell me, how did it go? Let me see if I'm audible. It's possible that I'm not. Where are you going? Yep. I don't know if I'm audible enough. Am I audible enough though? Oh, I love the move. Okay. Setting up well. Look at S&P 500. That's a good one, but I need a closure below. If I get a closure below on this retest, I'll look for shorts. My target is either that or just target this low. Yeah. Because below there is this 15 minutes area that the market can go back to. So that's what I'm targeting. PNL Ventures password for what? For which one? Yeah, but there's Facebook, there's a lot of things. For you. But how has been your Friday, man? Oh, Puza only one today. What if Kenya will kappa tomorrow? What if Kenya will kappa tomorrow? Oh, jeez. So there'll be a bit of noise here. My kid is gonna be making noise. So hang in there, guys. I don't like the price section here. Because I would be looking for something like this. Trumpo. I would be looking for something like this. If that happens. Trump, what are you using to play with here? Okay. The setup is not happening. This thing is dismally failing to the upside. Maralalo, no? Yeah, this thing is dismally failing to the upside. So I think just gonna be patient, I guess. Who got there, Trump? Trumpo, are you angry? Okay, it's fading to the upside. Trade that I'm looking for is not happening. Pata pata pa pa parata. Come on, man. Okay, the short trade is not happening. I am still gonna be patient and see how we move here. So let's just go through the long-term trades because while waiting for this, just gonna be looking at the futures trades long term because wow, I think gold for me is a bit stretched. I think I'll be patient. I will be looking for gold as we move lower, but for now, I think it's just a bit overstretched for me. Around 75% in this range here, I might consider longing gold, but also this high here, it's a possibility of gold going long. Um, I think those are the areas that I'm worried about for gold. But US oil, definitely, I'll explain why. Uh, US oil, I'm looking for longs. Could be at that high, but I'll use this. So US oil, I'm looking for longs. I think I'm gonna look for longs on US oil somewhere here. Target this high. So I think this is an all trade that I'll be looking for. I don't know if it will work out, but it's something that I'll be looking for. And the reason being, it's because if we were to look at the hedge fund, it's bullish for US or USD JPY, USD CAD, and GBP CAD. I think those are the other ones that I'll look at. CHF JPY and NGJ, they're also bullish. So I'll look around those ones and take it from there. Possibilities of longs are there, but interesting. And then we'll take it from there. I don't know what's happening. Let me see what you're seeing because there's something that doesn't make sense as I'm looking at here. I don't know if you see what I'm seeing or you're seeing something else. It looks like you're seeing something else. Oh, okay, I think we're good now. Yeah, so US oil, you can say it's bullish. USD CAD is bullish. GBP NZD is bullish. Um, USD JPY and GJ, all these are bullish. Then, yeah, let's just quickly do the analysis and then we can take it from there on how it will go. But US oil is the first one. Gold, as I said, gold's a bit overstretched for me. USD NZ USD NZ CAD. I think there's no two ways about it. I am also gonna look for long as we come back lower here. Um, Still, I'll target this highs. Take it. Is it hot? So look for that on USD CAD or yeah. CHF GPY. It's moving extremely slow, man. I don't know. I'm not interested in it now. DJ, before we go to USD JPY. USD JPY also, if it retests this low, I am gonna look for longs. But also GJ, if GJ comes back all the way down to hold this support, eh? Okay, I might consider this long. So these are the considerations that I have for me. Um, so these are the considerations that I have for me right now for long term, given what the H finder is saying. But let's go back to day trading and see what we have. Doo-dum-dum. Angibuza tenye mibuzo. Wawina la? Kamalwandla. Hey babe. I think there's continuation to go long, man. I think shorts are not possibility right now. Angibuza tenye mibuzo. Which one? Yeah, MT. Hmm. Not that bad. So yeah, man. It's been a busy week for me. Perhaps next week I'll be able to trade properly. And I am long first rand. I am long FNB. I am long Standard Bank. Sorry. Oh, look at that! I love this move. I think this will be setting up for what I want to say. I love this move. I am watching this low. I am watching this low. Let me see. Oh, beautiful. Come on. We have closed below, but I will have to close it below this current low here. And then if that happens, I will be looking to short here on the retest of this low. Just, I guess now it's about the matter of patience. I'm not gonna jump in until I see what I want. We might test back here and we get a trade that we look for. However, for me, just want to see it closer below here. If I don't, then I'm not taking the trade. Though the trade is setting up properly. So this 1 minute might close. I want it to close below this low. And if that happens, and then this will be our trade. This will be our trade. It is already retested without closing low. It will be interesting to see how it unfolds. But I'm not gonna take a trade until I see a closure below this current low here. Even if we close below, I am gonna still look for the same retest. I don't know if it makes sense, but that's what I'll be looking for. When I use my phone for the sell limits, S&P 500 makes sense. But until it does what I'm telling you, I am not gonna take a trade. Just want a closure below this blue line there. And then if that happens, definitely our trade setup is happening. Okay. I don't like okay, let's see. Already that reaction has happened. Kala, kala. Yeah, just 15 minutes before that closure. Okay, limit set. Okay, the limit is set. So this is how my trade I'm waiting for. Let me see if I can open MetaTrader on the other side. I wish it retest. I knew that might not retest after this low, but let's see. Oh, come on. Let's see this side. This is lagging so much. I don't think I'm interested in it. Let's see if we can get a week and reject. I've moved my entry somewhere slightly lower. Here we go. Okay. Am I tagged? Oh, shucks. Oh, fucking. It does. I'm on a trade. Okay. I'm on a trade, guys. Let's see how it goes. Sorry guys, I'm just trying to set up my MetaTrader to show you my trade setup. I'm gonna trade